Good morning to all. My dear students, today I discuss very important part of chemistry, the fundamental organic chemistry. This part is most important in organic chemistry, and I discuss part by part to every step. So just let us start today our topic. Wait a minute. Okay, so dear student, it is a fundamental concept in organic chemistry. So in organic chemistry, the organic molecules, also referred as a substrate, react with an appropriate attacking reagent and leads to the formation of one or more intermediates and finally product. It means if any types of organic molecules, basically we studied in previous classes, if any types of molecules, any types of atom, any types of compound are react and make new types of compound or new types of product. But here in organic chemistry or organic reaction, some types of organic molecules, they cannot directly convert to the product. Some other types of product are formed. It is called intermediates and it is very unstable. So any reaction, mainly the part of reaction is two types, reactant and product. And reactant and product emit point arrow. We write arrow. So upper part or lower part of arrow, we use some types of substance. This is called here organic reagent or attacking reagent. So why we call it attacking reagent? Mainly these types of attacking reagent, they attack to molecules and they convert to some intermediates. It is very unstable. After that, it's converted to product. Types of these intermediates, there are two types, nucleophile and electrophile. Also discuss the definition, classification of these two types of intermediates. But today I discuss some another points. A fusion process of covalent bond. So first I discuss covalent bond. Normally two types of atom are sharing the electron in equal numbers and make a bond. This bond are called covalent bond. And single bond require two numbers of electron, double bond 4 electron, triple bond 6 electron. Suppose methane, the chemical formula is CH4. So here 1C and H4. And also we know that the numbers of carbon represent 6 numbers of electron. And the electronic configuration according to Bohr-Bury is 2 and 4. So these 4 numbers of electron present in outermost cell, they are unstable. So they participate to hydrogen. So 1 numbers of electron share to the one formation of covalent bond, one hydrogen and one carbon. So carbon, 4 numbers of electron sharing and form 4 bond to hydrogen. When these types of bond are cleft or broken down, so these types of fusion are two types. Wait a minute. This is the cleavage or fusion of covalent bond. There are two types. One are called heterolytic cleavage and second are called homolytic cleavage. So suppose two numbers of electron are sharing and make a or form a covalent bond. In case they just cleavage or break to these types of bond. So in case both elements are collect own electron and subtracts, it is called homolytic. It is called homolytic. That means in homolytic cleavage, one of the electrons of the shared pair in a covalent bond go to each of bond atom. This is called homolytic cleavage or homolytic fusion. For example, Cl2. When chloride or break down, so both chlorine atoms are collect to own electrons, means Cl plus Cl. But in heterolytic, the heterolytic cleavage, the bond break in such a fusion fashion that the shared pair of electron remains which one of the fragments. It means suppose methyl chloride, the bond can break. So both types of electron, means a single bond, there presents two numbers of electron. These two electrons goes to one single types of elements or single types of compound. Suppose one time both electron goes to methyl and one time both types of electron goes to chlorine. And also it's a example of chloride, that means Cl and Cl when make a single bond, one time both two electron goes to first Cl atom and after that second time these two numbers of electron goes to second chlorine. So this is called heterolytic cleavage, and this is the some definition and example of both types of fusion of a covalent bond. Okay, thank you. And next video I share step by step to every point.